salty yogurt. Everything messed up. There means only one thing. Fridge. What the crap, man? Why are you eating my fridge? Huh? I said, why? Why are you eating my fridge? Well, this means I won't be eating for the next 2 days. Everything here is crap. Everything here is open, broken. Eggs are black. This is. Everything here is crap. Well, that ends this unnecessary video that was making us about to be perfect, but it was pulled by Darren. So, bye guys. See you later. Oh, and don't forget to kill Darren.